Alright, so this is how you properly coil a cable. So a lot of people think when you coil a cable, you coil it like this, you coil it like rope, but that is not how you coil a cable, because that adds twists to the cable, and those twists actually damage the cable inside the rubber housing. So if you've got rope, you can coil it like that, but coiling cables has a different route. So what you do is you'll hold the cable in your hand with the connector facing outwards, and you'll just do one normal coil. So it's just a normal loop. And then for the next coil, what you'll do is you'll grab it with your palm facing outward, grab the cable, and then turn your wrist so that you look at your watch, or that's what I always say that motion looks like. So then what that does is adds an anti-loop. So notice how the cable is coming out from under the loop now? It's under the loop. So that means when I pull this cable taut at the end of the day, if I just keep coiling like this, put in a loop and an anti-loop, a loop, and then twist the wrist, look at the watch, anti-loop, loop, anti-loop. So now that my cable is coiled, what I do is I grab a piece of tie line and I put it around. I don't have tie line here, so I'm just going to use a little Velcro strap. Put it around, and your cable is ready to go in a box somewhere. And now, when the cable, it comes time to use it again, it's going to be perfect, because when you pull both ends of the cable, you will have no twists at all in the cable anymore. It's a completely straight cable. There's no twists, there's no bends, there's no loops in it, so it's completely straight cable, so you won't have like a snake growing across the stage. And that's how you coil a cable.